Today, you will learn how to add pages to your website and link them to your navigation bar. Open the Page and Layer Gallery section. Choose the New Page option to create a new page. Use the Rename the Page option to give your new page a descriptive name. We will designate this new page as our contact page in this example. To edit the navigation bar, right-click on it. Find the button you want to link to your new page and click on the hash URL next to it. A pop-up window will appear with various link options. Select Link To and choose the new page you just created. That's it. The button will now link to your new page. Alternatively, you can click directly on the menu button where you want to add a link. Another option is to select Site Navigation Bar to automatically add your pages to the navigation bar and create links to them. Repeat the process and add as many pages as you want. Click Preview and test your links. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial.